Hey guys, welcome to Sam 610. Oh, don't mind the mess behind me. But anyway, in this video, we are going to talk about what I would do if my channel had reached 1 million views. Stay tuned. But before I begin my video, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and punch the notification bell to be updated on any of my new videos. As you guys may know, I am filming right in front of my front door. I have some good lighting in this area. I have a chandelier light up there, which is on, gives me a little bit of a reflection. I have a little window over here right before you go up the steps, which provides good light coming into the house. Well, anyway, guys, back to the point of this video. What would I do if I had 1 million views on my YouTube channel? How would I handle it, and what would I do? Well, to handle it, I think I would be very thankful, and I'd have to go on YouTube and create a video and explain to my audience how thankful I am for receiving 1 million views, whether they are subscribed or non-subscribed to my channel. Let me explain why that's important. I think this is important to show your audience how happy you are. So if they are subscribed, of course, they can like the video and comment the video, possibly share your video with others, and anybody that comes over to your channel that hasn't subscribed maybe will subscribe to your channel, which to me is what you want to have. After going through my analytics on my channel, I have learned that close to 90% of my views come from non-subscribers to my channel. 90-some%. That is crazy, guys. So if you are part of that 90% and you see this video, please give me a like and please consider hitting the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Back to my main point on what I would do if I had reached 1 million views on my channel. Of course, now at the creation of this video, I have about 723 subscribers, give or take. Some might drop off. I know there's a lot of bots going on YouTube, and YouTube has been very good going through and removing those bots from your subscribers. So if you guys see your subscribers going down, that's probably exactly what is happening on your channel. So what I would do if I received 1 million views, of course, I would hopefully be at 1,000 subscribers, which is the goal for growing my channel, and hopefully I would be monetized on my channel at that point after 1 million views. If you have 1 million views on your channel and you're not monetized, I would seriously go back to the drawing board and figure out exactly what's going on in your channel. You can definitely go through Fiverr and pay somebody $5 or $10 to go through your channel and give an honest review of your channel. That is something I'm considering doing on my channel because I want an honest opinion from an outsider, not somebody who subscribed to my channel or not somebody that's non-subscribed. I want an expert to go through and audit my channel and let me know what I can do to improve on my videos, which is #1 priority for me right now. In 2020, it's mid-July right now, and I'm maybe halfway there, 3/4 of the way there possibly, give or take, what my statistics are, what my numbers are going through the analytics. By the way, is a great tool to find out what you are doing right and what you are doing wrong on this platform. Okay, so what would I do if I received 1 million views on my channel? I have 1,000 subscribers, I have 1 million views, I'm monetized. What am I going to do? So I think the most fair thing to do is, if I received 1 million views on my channel, is to donate to charity my first YouTube paycheck. And that is something I'm considering doing. I only have about 35,000 views on my channel right now. So I think if I received my first YouTube check, whether I had 1 million views or not, I would consider donating my first YouTube check to charity. I probably would do a video, thanking everybody, as I had mentioned, for the 1 million views, whether they're subscribed or not. And then I would do another video explaining that I received 1 million views and that I want to donate my first YouTube check to charity. Pick a charity, drop a link, of your charity of, your choice, to go through, and I would analyze it, make sure the charity is legit. And then once I receive my first YouTube check, I would donate that money to charity, because it's about giving back. I don't force people to come subscribe to my channel. I am truly grateful that I do receive subscribers. So if YouTube approved me for the to be monetized, and was able to meet the goal of getting 4,000 watch hours along with the goal of getting 1,000 subscribers, I would be truly thankful, and so thankful that I would want to give back to people that are giving to me. Because basically creating YouTube videos, unless you spend money on software, unless you pay somebody to come in and help you with your designs, basically you can do everything on YouTube for free. So, I'd be giving into something, and, basically my time and my effort is the most important part of creating, and seeing people commenting on your videos, and with the likes and, the subscriptions to your channel, of course, that is the biggest thing that can help drive traffic to your channel, engaging with people. So if I received 1 million views on my channel, that's what I would do. I would definitely donate my first YouTube check, whether I have 1 million views or not, because I'd be so thankful that I was given the opportunity to do something for fun as a hobby, which is creating YouTube videos, interacting and engaging with other people, seeing what they like, what they don't like. My variety on my videos, whether I'm doing an unboxing, whether I'm doing a vlog with my kids, whether I'm messing around with RC cars, by the way, which they are all broke, and I did mention that in my last video. But it's about just having fun, experiencing who you are and being yourself. So if I was able to get 1 million views on my channel, that would be fantastic. That would be the best thing that has ever happened to me. One of the best things that would ever happen to me, I should say, in my life. Wouldn't be the best thing, because it's just going to be something for fun. So that's what I would do. And by the way, I got the motivation to create this video by Brian G. Johnson. I will give you guys a link to his channel in the description of this video. Basically, he was doing a giveaway saying, what would you do if you had 1 million views? This is not part of the contest. I want somebody else to try and win that. I'm not saying I would win that, based on, his criteria, but I'm not doing a submission based on what Brian G. Johnson had said in his video in regards to a giveaway. I'm doing this because it was a great video idea, and, I sat back and I thought about it last night. What would I really do if I got 1 million views on my channel? And that is what I would do, whether I had 1 million or not. I know I keep saying it, but it just made me so excited to shoot this video, thinking, what would I do if I received 1 million views? And I would definitely donate every single penny to charity, because I would be so thankful. And you can always make up that money, down the road. Even if you make like, $300, or you make, $50, every little bit helps. And, to me, I would feel comfortable, donating that. I see a lot of people that do merchandise on on YouTube, and they generate $700-800, and they're all bragging about how much they made on their selling their merch through Teespring and stuff like that. But I have not seen any of them donate any of that money to any charities. At least if they did, they didn't say. But I think that would be the good thing to do. Alright, so this is where I'm going to end this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want this to be motivational to you guys. And let me know what you guys would do if you received 1 million views. Drop me a comment. I'd be interested to know, what you would do if you received 1 million views, you were monetized, and you met the threshold of 4,000 watch hours, and you had 1,000 subscribers on your channels. What would you do with your earnings, your first earnings? And you don't have to donate it. That's just something that I want to do. You can do whatever you want with it, pay a bill off, if you're really good, you go buy a car, who knows. But that's just what I would do. So let me know what you guys would do. So this is where I'm going to end this video, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, later.